Dear Cheri, I love cooking with marijuana, but I hate draining and straining infusions. It's a pain in the butt and always makes a big mess. Are there easier ways than the usual cheesecloth lined colander? Well, yes, there are. But before I get to that, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, I agree that draining and straining infusions can be a bit messy, but if you're making a big batch of infusions, especially if there's water in the mix, the old cheesecloth lined colander might be your best bet. But a really good alternative to that for larger batches is a mesh nut milk bag like this one. Now, vegans use these to make nut milks, but you can use it to strain your infusion. Just put it in a bowl, pour it in, pour the plant material and your melted butter or oil or whatever you're infusing. Close the bag, lift it up. You can squeeze out your infusions and discard the plant material. Very simple. Another alternative is to infuse in a French press coffee pot. Now, this uses the exact same technique as the mason jar infusion method, and see the links below for instructions on how to do that. The only difference is instead of a mason jar, you would use the French press coffee pot. So your plant material and your butter, your oil goes in, this goes on the plunger, and you let it infuse in the pot of boiling water. When it comes time to drain and strain, all you have to do is push that plunger down and pour out your marijuana infusion. Pretty quick, neat, easy. Another thing, if you are using the mason jar infusion method or using my favorite method of infusing small batches, the Ardent NovaLift decarboxylator, and again, see the links below for more information, all it takes to drain and strain is a small jar and a tiny strainer, either with or without some cheesecloth in it, and all you have to do is just pour your infusion into that. Quick, easy, neat, and done. So draining and straining infusions does not have to be a big, messy ordeal. These are some easy hacks you can use to make it quicker and neater and easier. Eat your weed.